We got Keith in the new car. Don't run us over. Hello there, sir.
We're at Andy's baby review.
Review? Baby reveal. Reveal. Oh, he's popping the hood.
What's that one, dude?
Alabaster white still.
Anytime you have a boosted car, you're already gonna sell the kit.
Right? Fanatic skip. No, I don't like it. It sounds sexy, but I don't like it. It sounds good.
That's the log man.
Like 3 times a week.
Look at that. You like that?
Sing that pose.
Such a nice color.
Listen. It was one of the few wagons to come out in 01, but it was produced as an 02.
Because they started producing 99, 09, 08.
Yeah, that shit
09, 08 is
Wow!
October.
You are so smart.
I didn't even see you.
That's gonna be on the blog. Boy or girl. Gonna do a burnout to reveal the gender today. It's hot out here. What's up, guys? So we're at Andy's baby reveal today for the barbecue. So right now we're eating, and then a little bit we're gonna go to Mexico, and then Andy's gonna do a burnout with the colored tires so we can see see what gender it is. I'm hoping it's a boy, but I think it's gonna be a girl. What do you think, Mike? It's definitely a girl.
I really hope.
You hope it's a girl?
No, my brother.
Do you think it's gonna be a boy or a girl? Boy or girl?
Yep.
Boy or girl? What are you hoping for?
I'm hoping for a boy. I hope it's gonna be a girl. Hey, calm down.
That's the thing, right? We all want a boy. Alright, guys, so right now we're about to ride out to Mexico so we can do the Andy's baby's gender reveal. So right now everybody's getting in their car, we're riding out. Ah, coño, that hurt. Miami, you gotta chill, bro. What's up with that, man? Chill with the heat, man. So we're at the spot. Right now waiting to go in. I don't know what it is we're waiting for, but we're waiting. Pulling into spot number 2. Boy, Randy just pulled up. Are you gonna slide it?
Never.
Why do you have spares?
Just in case I can breathe.
Yeah. Okay, so spot number 1, the cop told us we can't go there, but then he literally guided us here and said we can do it here. So the cop just left, he told us to do what we caught, and let's get the reveal going.
Slow. Yo, he needs to roll.
Getting the tire on.
Just like this.
Oh, Keith. About to go down. About to go down. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Oh man, I'm excited. I am excited.
Because I fucking walked his ass.
Who?
You didn't pass me. How are you walking somebody if you don't even pass it? Both cars running. That one and the sedan. But he just got pulled on moments ago.
Oh man. There he goes. Send it. He's cheesing so hard. Here we go. It's a go! How do you feel?
I knew it. That's all. My gut feeling it was gonna be good. That shit slapped my arm.
Oh, it did? Yeah. It slapped someone, I think. Oh, it's starting to rain!
Now it rains.
The brand tell you what?
You don't need it. You don't need it. Nothing you ain't used to.
Oh, is that for sale? Yeah. You won't do it? Hey! By the way, if anyone's looking for an Is300 Sport Cross, you can buy it here from Andy. Right? Later, bro. It's gonna be the end of the video. See you on the next one. I haven't seen this hitting. Oh.